Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about outline property in CSS. So what is the use of an outline property? An outline is a line that is drawn around elements outside the borders to make the element stand out. So we have seen in the previous video how to add the border to your HTML element. So what outline will do, it will draw an extra line around the elements, but it will be outside the borders to make the element stand out. So there are different properties in outline. First one is outline style. So an outline style property specifies the style of the outline. So there are different style such as solid, dotted, dashed. We will see them in the code. Another property is outline width. So the outline width property specifies the width of the outline. Another property is outline color. So outline color property is used to set the color of the outline. And the last property is the outline offset. So the outline offset property adds space between an outline and the border of an element. The space between an element and its outline is transparent. So we will see all these properties now in our demo. So let's go in our Sublime text editor. So currently I have one outline.html file. Inside this file I have one heading tag. Here I have provided the content Code Crush outline tutorial. One image I have provided here. So the image is saved in the same location where this outline.html is saved. So I need to just provide the name of image, and one paragraph I have added here, and this is the content for the paragraph. So if I run this on browser, so you will get this output here. So this was the image here. Let me make adjustment. See, so this heading we are getting, the image we are getting, as well as the paragraph we are getting here. And here I have outline.css. so currently no property is added in our CSS. So let's start with the adding the outline first. So let's say in the heading 1 heading tag, you need to provide the name of element h1. So I will provide here h1, and let's provide a outline first. So if I provide here outline style, let's say solid. If I save this, you need to link this CSS file with the HTML file, otherwise the browser will not read it. So you need to make use of link tag, and inside this href you need to provide the name of your file if the file is saved in this same location. If the file is stored on other location, you need to provide the entire path. So outline.css, I will save this file and refresh the browser. So see, we are getting here outline. It looks similar to the border, right? Because here we haven't provided the border. So what if I provide here border? Let's say I provide here border, and the style, let's say dotted, and color green, and let's provide width 10 pixel. Save this and refresh now. So see, the border is getting first and then the outline we are getting, because outline is applied outside the border. If I first provide the outline and then border, then also you will see the same output. Let me refresh. See, we are getting border only first, because outline are always applied after the border. So that is the use here. Let's provide another styles here. If I provide here dotted, refresh the page. So see, you will able to see the dotted. Let me make it more. So see, you are able to see heading as dotted. If I provide here dashed, so in that case you will be able to see dashboard outline is applied. And the last style we want to see is the double. If I try to refresh the page now, so we will get here double borders. See, here we will be able to see the double borders. So now what we want to do, we will see another property here. Let's say outline style we have done. Now we want to have the outline width. Let's say outline width, and let's provide 15 pixel, some random value here. Now refresh the page. So see, 15 pixel, the width is increased now. There are some predefined values for this width property. You can make use of pixel values, as well as you can provide here thin. So if you provide here thin, the outline will be thin, so you will be able to see it is very small. If you provide here thick, then it will be thick one. See, there is a difference between thin and thick. And if you provide here medium, so accordingly it will be in the medium size. So these are the three predefined values that you can directly provide, or you can provide the value of your choice with the help of pixel. So let's provide thick here. And another property that we have seen is outline color. Let's say brown. I try to refresh. So see, you are able to see the brown color for the outline. Now we have used these three properties for the outline, and in the border we have used only one single property, and we have provided the style also, color also, and width also. So you can also provide these all these three properties inside a single property of outline. So let's add that property for paragraph. So currently our paragraph doesn't have any style, so it looks like this. So here you can provide outline, and you can provide all the values. Let's say first provide the style. So let's provide the style as solid, then color as pink, and then pixel as 15. Let's save this and refresh now. See, you are getting your outline pink color and solid border and 15 pixel. Let's add border also. So if you add your border, let's say border is double, let's add dashed, and color brown. Refresh the page. Yeah, you need see, the property is not applied here. Why the property is not applied? Because I forget to enter here the semicolon. When you have multiple properties for a single element, you need to separate them with the help of semicolons. Now if I try to refresh, see, here you will be able to see one brown. Let me increase the width also, 10 pixel. Refresh the page. See, here you are able to see the border, and then you are able to see the outline. So you can also use the padding here to have the space between the border. So you can provide here padding, let's say 10 pixel. Refresh the page. So see, the space is added inside the border. So you can see the details about the padding in the padding video. Now the last property that we want to learn is the outline offset. So what was the use of outline offset? The outline offset property adds space between an outline and the border of an element. So it will add the space. Now currently these are exactly close to each other. You need to add some space. So how you can add the space? With the help of outline offset property. Let me add that also. So let's add here outline offset, and here you can provide the pixel. Let's say I want to have 6 pixel. To provide a semicolon. Save it. Refresh now. So see, there is a difference now. There is a gap between the border and the outline. Now if I increase here, let's say 12 pixel, then you can see more space will be added between them. See, there is a more gap between the border and outline now. In similar way, for image also you can add the outline. Let me add that also for the image. So you need to provide the name of tag image, and let's add outline. Let's add double outline for image, double, color let's say green only, and you want 20 pixel. Now refresh the page. Okay, we have provided your outline width. I need to select your outline, refresh it. See, we are able to see the green double border here, and also the size as 20 pixel. Let me increase here. See, in this way you can make use of borders and outline. So this was the basic web page where I have provided all the details about the outline. So in the next video we will see another topic. Thank you for watching.